Yeah, that good, huh? She's like sugar overload. It's Avery's first birthday. Yeah? Look at that. Tasty. What do you think? Did you say happy birthday?
Yeah.
You did?
In my room.
Oh. Hi, gorgeous. Look at that face.
Look at this one.
Woo! Oh! Trying to grab.
Look at this one.
Let me see.
Oh, yum.
Yummy.
Oh, look at all that cake. Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Look it. I'm strong. My bones are so huge.
Avery.
Oh my god.
Oh, she got in her eyeball. Oh, no. Oh, no. Grandma can't stand it. Okay.
I gotta put the
Woo! All right. Bye-bye, first birthday girl.